Welcome to my channel. Recently I went to the historic city of Santa Marta, Colombia. This video shows a couple places around Santa Marta. As I mentioned, Santa Marta is a historic city and one of the most historic cities in all the Americas. The Cathedral of Santa Marta was the first in the continental Americas and was established in 1531. The current cathedral construction began in 1766. Also, it was the final home to one of the most historic figures in the Americas, Simon Bolivar. Simon Bolivar was responsible for the independence of several South American countries, including Colombia. He was also the president of Gran Colombia, which is now Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, and Panama. He was so well respected and regarded that the USA had a U.S. submarine named after him. Also, the country of Bolivia is named after him. He died in Santa Marta in 1830 at the young age of 47 of tuberculosis. Now, Santa Marta is a large tourist destination because of the beautiful beaches around there, the Sierra Nevada mountains, and the Tayrona National Park next to it. The ecological diversity is amazing. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.